Investigate, Design, Build basically takes those three steps, the investigation, the design, and the build, and puts them together under one team. A collaborative effort where all stakeholders are involved at each step of the way. So why would you consider an IDB approach? First is IDB, Investigate, Design, Build, is easier to manage from an owner's perspective. We layer over top of the entire process a dedicated project management team. Second, the improved delivery speed. So these projects happen much faster, from planning to completion, and also the speed of construction is much faster. Third is the projects cost less. Not only do they cost less, but you know how much they're going to cost earlier, and you have more certainty around what they're going to cost at the end. And then fourth is improved quality. Single source responsibility creates a higher level of accountability that I have to do the right thing, that I actually have to design and install a solution that is going to last. And the reason for that is that if it fails, I have nowhere to go. I own it.